Hello everybody, my name is Nick. In today's video, we're gonna talk about how to download Sword X stuff on your PC or laptop in 2026. So it's pretty easy. Let me show you how you can do it. So as you can see, now I'm using my PC, and here is the necessary game, Sword X stuff. And of course, I can easily run it and start playing it on my PC. So how to do it? All you have to do is firstly install an Android emulator as me. For example, you can use LD Player or BlueStacks or another one. So to install it, just open up a browser and type here Android emulator. And here you can find a lot of different Android emulators. For example, Android developers, BlueStacks, for example, LD Player. Just select the necessary one, click on it, and on their official website you can easily install it. So click here and then run the installer to download it completely on your device. After that, on the desktop you can find the emulators icon, so just double click on it to launch it, and then this window will appear on your screen. So how to use it? So this is a virtual phone right on your PC. And here you can download any Android applications or games. So to install a game, you have to open up Play Store. You can find it in apps, in the apps folder. So run it, and then of course sign into your account. After that, at the top you can find the search box. So just click here and type Sword and X stuff. Yep. Now click here, and right here on the right side you can find the download button. But of course I've already installed this game on my Android emulator, so here is the play button. So now let's click on play, and finally you can start playing this game right on your computer. So let's wait a bit. Okay, and there it is. Tap to play, and now you can see the gameplay of this game. Hope my video was helpful for you. Please like this video and of course subscribe to the How to PC channel. Goodbye.